Danielle, get off of that. Danielle. Thank you.
Why am I not trying to be doing it?
Because you're going to tip him over.
I like it.
Well, I don't want you to tip him over.
I won't tip him over.
Yes, you will. You can stand in the back.
I can.
Good job, Luke. You're taking your big sister for a ride.
No, he just wants to. We can get this, Luke. What is it? Oh.
Come on, Luke.
We got USB card, see?
Oh, okay.
Good boy. You can take it if you want to. Because it says Frisco Dog.
Hey, Luke. Where's Danielle?